morning, remarkable readers. Mrs. Opfer here. I'm so glad to be spending some time working on reading strategies with you today. Today, I want to show you how readers can use blends and digraphs to help figure out tricky words in Just Right books. Let's take a look at some blends and digraphs on our anchor chart right there. Oh, I love when that happens. Today, we're going to be looking for our favorite blend or digraph in a Just Right book. Here are some great choices. We can look for sk, sk, scarf, or bur, bur in broom, bowl in block, ch, ch in chair, sk, sk in skateboard, cur, crayon, coal like in clock, phone, sm, sm, smile, drum, full like in flower, sh, sh like in ship, sn like in snowman, fur like in frog, gl like in glove, like in thumb, sp like in spoon, grr like in grapes, pull like in plane, like in whispering whales, st like in star, tur like in tree, sl like in slide, and sw like in swing. Woo! That was a lot of blends and digraphs. Don't worry, you can just focus on your favorite or one that you find in a Just Right book. Keep an eye on our anchor chart, readers, while I read a quick Just Right book to you. If you notice a blend or a digraph that repeats more than one time, give me a thumb up. I might give you some hints. Ready? Butterfly in the garden. And we'll reread together close up too. This is just our first reading. Butterfly in the garden. Oh, I already have some thumb ups. Good job. It fluttered by the tomatoes. It did not stop. Oh, what a beautiful monarch. It fluttered by the carrots. It did not stop. It fluttered by the watering can. It did not stop. It fluttered by the snail. It did not stop. I'm also noticing a pattern. I bet you are too. It fluttered by the strawberries. It did not stop. It fluttered by the rabbit. I had to check that first sound. It did not stop. It landed on the flower. It stopped. Slurp. The end. Remarkable readers, did you notice a blend or digraph that repeated in this story? Let's take a closer look. I'm ready to read my Just Right book for the second time. And this time, I'm going to be on the lookout for a blend or a digraph that I notice more than one or two times. I'm excited to find a blend or a digraph in my Just Right book that repeats. Each time I find it, I'm going to check it off on my chart. Here I go. Read with me. Butterfly in the garden. You know what I already notice? A blend here. FL, full, full, full. The blend or the digraph could be anywhere in the word. Here, the FL, saying full, is almost at the end. I think that might be the blend I look for today. So I'm going to make a tally mark in my, maybe I'll even color that little part in. So fun. In my full box, one tally mark. I found it one time. Let's see how many more times we can find it, readers. Butterfly in the garden. Good, you found it again. Full. I'm gonna give it another tally. I wonder how many we're gonna find today. I'm gonna give each word one tap. Help me read. It fluttered by the tomatoes. It did not stop. It fluttered by the carrots. It did not stop. Nice work. You found 2 full blends. Fluttered, fluttered. I'm gonna give it 2 more tally marks. Wow. Go us. Let's go to the next page. It fluttered by the watering can. It did not stop. I love how you're reading out loud with me. It fluttered by the snail. It did not stop. How many full blends did you find? Yep, 2 more. Full, full. Let's do some more tallies. Ooh, I'm going to start a new group down here. Let's do it. Oh, darling. It fluttered by the strawberries. It did not stop. It fluttered by the rabbit. It did not stop. How many full blends did you find? That's right, 2 more. Fluttered, fluttered. That word repeats a lot. 1, 2. It's definitely a good thing to find a book with a pattern for this job if you can. Oh, what a beautiful last page. It landed on the flower. It stopped. Slurp. Good expression. Did you find a teeny tiny full on this page? Nice work, readers. Flower. Ooh, that was a different word than fluttered. Oh my gosh, look how many full blends I found. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a lot. Just for fun, I might come back and color in my leaves. And I'm gonna circle that blend to show that's what I was searching for in my Just Right book. Readers, today, I want you to try this job. You could do this job with one Just Right book and pick a favorite blend or digraph from the chart and search for it as you reread. Or you could even do it with more than one Just Right book. As a challenge, you could even reread a favorite Just Right another time and be on the hunt for a different blend or digraph. You have a lot of Just Right challenge possibilities. Today and every day, readers, we can be on the lookout for blends and digraphs to help us sound out words. Time to read. See you soon.